team at Equalize Digital is excited to announce the launch of Accessibility Craft, a weekly podcast where we explore the art of creating accessible websites while trying out interesting craft beverages. Accessibility Craft is hosted by Amber Hines, Steve Jones, and Chris Hines. Collectively, they have over 30 years of experience in selling, designing, developing, and managing complex WordPress projects and have worked together as a team since 2015. The objective of Accessibility Craft is to both inspire and to educate web professionals across the globe to invest more time and energy into creating accessible solutions, so that one day all people will have equal access to information and tools on the internet, regardless of ability. Episodes of the Accessibility Craft podcast will have two formats that will alternate each week. First, there are standard episodes where our three hosts will discuss an accessibility-related topic or issue while tasting an interesting craft beverage. Second, there are meetup episodes where we will share a recording from a recent WordPress accessibility meetup in which a guest speaker will present on an accessibility topic. Providing these in podcast format was widely requested, and we are excited to offer these recordings to our audience. Equalize Digital, and by extension our hosts, are committed to accessibility and to delivering a great experience to our subscribers. Every episode will have a full transcript at accessibilitycraft.com. Please subscribe in your podcast app to get notified when future episodes release. You can find Accessibility Craft on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Spotify, and more.